Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will take a quick look inside a camera lens. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, projects, and yard work. This camera lens was broken recently from an impact. As seen, the blades that set the aperture no longer function. We're going to take this lens apart and see what's inside. This is called a prime lens, meaning that it has a fixed focal length and is not a zoom lens. The lens, however, still has two functions. The first is to control the aperture. The aperture is the size of the opening that lets the light in. The second is to focus the image. The first fasteners we will take out are on the mounting plate that will mount on the camera body. You'll notice the rear lens in the middle. There are also square shapes. These are copper or gold connectors that transmit electricity to power and control the lens from the camera. Once we take off the mounting plate, we can again see the rear lens along with the small circuit board to help control the electric motors on the lens. After disconnecting the ribbon and some of the other pieces, we were able to loosen the circuit board. We were then able to free the circuit board. Slowly but surely, we removed some of the other parts of the assembly to get to the aperture mechanism. As seen, this is the aperture mechanism that uses a small electric motor along with multiple blades. These blades help to change the size of the opening and therefore change the amount of light that comes in like an iris does for an eye. Looking at this assembly, we can see the electrical motor along with the slots which help guide the blades in and out of position. On the back, we can see a very small circuit board with a ribbon cable to a very small electrical motor. The last piece remaining holds the lens in the front part of the assembly. With the help of springs, an electrical motor, and a ring gear, this front lens can move forward and back to help focus the image. This last piece is a second larger electrical motor used for focusing the front lens. As seen, the second motor has larger gears which work with a large ring gear. This setup is larger because more torque is required to move the front part of the assembly as compared to those tiny blades. Although this is a quick video, I thought it would be interesting to see the inside of something that I would likely never take apart unless it was broken. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.